God's ideal is to go beyond the religious sphere to personally live life with God. The enlightened ones have only the road of the ideal, they do not contemplate the road of restoration. The archangel took the word of God away from Adam and Eve. If we continue to live blindly spiritually by being guided by a religious life, instead of prioritizing God and realizing the three blessings together with God, then we must be clear that this benefits Satan, who thus keeps us away from God and keeps us spiritually as children. It is blocking God Himself from teaching us personally His way of the ideal of creation. Religion has often corrupted into hierarchies, holiness merits, saved and damned, idolatry towards someone or something or oneself even. In the ideal of creation, no one is superior to others and God does not differentiate. It is the world of love rather than law, justice and positions of leadership. We are to create the kingdom of love, not justice. Nothing and no one should stand in the way of our personal relationship with God. If we allow a religion to do that, it is a wrong position in light of God's ideal. God created religions and sent the Messiah for us to personally live His ideal, to restore humanity, but religious life is not the purpose of creation for God.